In the realm of automotive history where speed meets ingenuity, there are vehicles that stand as beacons of excellence, pushing the boundaries of what's possible on the road. Let's embark on a journey through the most astounding vehicles ever created, from legendary classics to cutting-edge marvels. Number 1. Ferrari 250 GTO. At the heart of this exploration lies the Ferrari 250 GTO, a masterpiece that epitomizes exclusivity and craftsmanship. With only 36 ever produced, its legacy is unmatched, from dominating both road and track to claiming the title of the most expensive car ever sold at auction. The 250 GTO embodies automotive excellence in its purest form. Number 2. SSC Tutora. Venture into the realm of sheer velocity with the SSC Tutora, crowned as the fastest street legal car on the planet, with a monstrous 1350 horsepower engine and an astonishing top speed of 316.1 miles per hour. It leaves competitors in the dust, solidifying its status as the ultimate speed demon. Number 3. Nissan GTR. The Nissan GTR, a cultural phenomenon with the iconic appearance in the Fast and Furious franchise, proved its mettle by achieving the fastest drift ever recorded in 2019, defying gravity at 189.5 miles per hour. It showcases Nissan's commitment to pushing the boundaries of performance. Number 4. The Ford GT. The Ford GT commands attention with its sleek design and formidable performance, achieving a standing mile record of 300 miles per hour in 2019, with the modification pushing its horsepower to 2500 and a switch to running on methanol. It pushes the boundaries of automotive engineering. Number 5. Red Bull Racing RB15. In the automotive world of Formula 1, the Red Bull Racing RB15 sets record with the quickest pit stop ever recorded during the 2019 Brazilian Grand Prix. Number 6. Sparkle. Experience the future with the Sparkle, the world's fastest accelerating electric car. In the mere 1.69 seconds, it rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour, showcasing cutting-edge technology and sleek design, redefining driving in the 21st century. The all exemplifies the boundless potential of electric vehicles to revolutionize the automotive industry. Number 7. BMW M5. Prepare to be amazed by the BMW M5, a true icon of automotive excellence. With its formidable engine and blistering acceleration, it achieves the longest continuous drift ever recorded at 232 miles per hour, showcasing the unrivaled skill of its driver. In conclusion, these record-breaking marvels stand as testament to human ingenuity and the enduring allure of speed. From legendary classics like the Ferrari 250 GTO to cutting-edge supercars like the SSC Tutora, each vehicle represents the pinnacle of engineering excellence and the relentless pursuit of perfection. As technology advances and boundaries are pushed further, the future of automotive innovation has never looked brighter. So buckle up and prepare for the ride of a lifetime, because the journey has only just begun. So friends, that's our today's video. If you think this video is helpful for you and it gave you some knowledge about cars, then please hit the like button and don't forget to comment down your favorite car. If you want to watch this kind of amazing videos about cars, then please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon for instant updates. Thank you.